aren't you talking?
Why aren't I talking?
I'm recording.
Oh. Hi guys. Hi YouTube. Finally, for the remainder of this year and for some of next year, my pipe acquisition disorder has come to an end. And here's the end.
I'll do it. Because you're driving and we're going to die. Hey guys, he finally got Moretti pipe.
Moretti.
And it's really exciting because this is his last pipe by. I'm pretty excited. What kind of pipe is it?
It is a Moretti Super Magnum. Basically, it's a bent apple, I think. Yeah, bent apple, rustic, whatever. Yeah, that.
Yeah.
One of the pretty big cheap ones.
So.
I don't care.
Okay. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna open that. And it's gonna be really exciting. Like really exciting. And what? Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. It's not Porto, it's Puerto.
No, it's Porto because
No.
they're from Italy.
Yeah, but we're not from Italy.
Ah!
They wrote it wrong.
No, they wrote it right.
So yeah. So one thing, I'm gonna open it.
Do the honors. I'm giving YouTube a comprehensive view of your crotch.
What? Here, just rip it.
Sure. Like a Christmas present. Don't cut yourself.
That's why I like destroyed my. Oh look, there's another box of tape. These people are really good at packaging.
It's his job.
Really good.
Ah! Hose.
Thanks a lot, Hose, for burning it. Okay.
Don't cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself.
Don't cut yourself.
That was just weird. Why won't I open it?
2 hours later.
Don't judge me. It's not. Oh. And there's another box inside.
A box within a box.
Yeah.
Within a box. Come on, I know you open your Christmas presents with more energy.
I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm retarded.
No, you're just weak. See, that's why Joffrey won't post you on his website. 'Cause you're not manly enough.
You know what?
What?
I think you're just jealous. I'm pretty.
I'm beautiful.
No, you're not. And you know what? If I asked Joffrey to put me in his website, he would, because it's about manly stuff like pipe smoking, not about men. Okay, so if I post,
you're a manly woman.
I'm not a manly woman. I'm a pipe smoker, and I enjoy the hobby. I don't have to be a man to enjoy something manly. Stop, babe. Oh, foam and more foam and. Oh my god. It's huge.
That's what she said.
I did say that. Oh.
Bum bum bum.
Holy crap. I mean, so.
Holy shit, it really is big.
Holy shit. I have a small hand. He has a big hand, okay? He's gonna show you. Let me just put this thing. There's two.
Yep.
Oh no, this is a. Oh.
Holy shit, that's a lot bigger than I thought.
Holy crap.
I think I will be buying more from him in the future. Grab the.
I will. He has a big hand. He'll show you.
Holy fuck.
That is one big pipe. Is it really heavy? What do you think, YouTube?
My first and only Moretti till date. Hey Marco, if you get to see this message, Bella Pipa.
Sorry, he's driving. We're going to college now, and we're gonna crash. He does.
No, we're not gonna crash.
We're gonna crash. He's not that good of a driver.
It's beautiful.
It is, and it's huge. Really big.
It's fucking huge. You put in the fucking.
Bye, YouTube. I hope you like the pipes. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ah, no more pipes. No
Okay,
more
bye.